Hello friends of Lash Workshop! Today I want to ask you this tutorial because one of the questions that I have been asked the most during the time I have been doing tutorials is what glue do I use to glue the foam pieces together? Today I want to explain a little on this question. The glue that what I usually use is the foam glue. That comes in this presentation independent of the brand. It is the special glue for this material. They sell it in craft stores and it is very good because the residue it leaves adheres very well because it is not so noticeable. But I understand that there are times when it is very difficult to get it. The name, as I already said, varies according to the region or the brand that they may be selling. But basically they find it as foam glue. A variation of this glue, when it is not available, is this yellow glue, which is the same one used to glue the shoes to the soles of the shoes. So you can get it in hardware stores, you can get it in stationery stores in Colombia. It is known as boxer, as sackle, or as yellow glue. In other countries I understand some have told me written, and they tell me that it is known as Resitor 5000. I invite you to, if you know what this glue is called in your country, to comment below and write it down because this way you can help other people so that they can get it more easily. This glue is very easy to find. Easy because it is used a lot, as I already told you, in saddlery. But what is suddenly bad about it is that it is very yellow. And if you water it on the edge, it will be very noticeable, so you have to spread it very carefully. But it sticks just as well as the another. And the other glue that I use is liquid silicone. So I use it to stick the foam to styrofoam because I don't use the other glue it is. Because when it is spread on the styrofoam, it tends to melt it a little and it can damage the piece. So it is better to spread this second one also on the two pieces. Let it dry a little and then put it together. It can be used to glue with styrofoam, but it is not recommended to glue between Foamy with Foamy because it tends to harden a lot and dry out and the pieces come off easily. So well, I hope this short tutorial has been useful to you about the glue that I am using and that you can use. Has been useful to you, so I invite you to give it a like and comment below also if you have any other questions. What do you want me to answer in a way expanded? And I also invite you to continue with us in the next tutorial. Goodbye.